Hey guys, it's Garrett. So today, well, first I got my nails done, if you didn't know. So I am going to do a Walmart toys tutorial. I just got Walmart toys like yesterday or the day before. It was yesterday or the day before. And I'm also going to show you some things I got from Mrs. Bench. So if you guys don't know where Walmart is, there is a lot of cool stuff at Walmart. And if you don't know who Mrs. Bench is, go check out her YouTube channel. So, we are going to, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's the brown bag. Okay, I'm going to reach in. Whatever I get, I'm going to reach in. Whatever I get, I will pick. Well, I know what this is. It's the spiky. Yes, I knew it. Yes, it's this. This is my most favorite stress ball in the whole entire world. Honestly. Okay, I got this from Walmart. You can get it at Mrs. Bench's store, just to let you know. So next, we're going to do number 2. I was about to grab a mini brand. I don't want to grab that. Oh yes, I got these. I got this from whatever her name is. No, I got this from Walmart, but you can get these from Mrs. Bench's store too. Mrs. Bench's store too. So, like I say, her cheeks click. Her cheeks click. And you can spin her top, and she has a little poppet dress. And you can put her in a keychain. Okay, that's my fashion fidget. I have 2 more fashion fidgets. 2 more. Well, I know what I have in this bag. Just I have to pick quietly, I guess. Oh yeah, I know what this is. It's either the chocolate or birthday cake. Yes, it's the birthday cake thing from Mrs. Bench. Yes, this is what I got from Mrs. Bench. This is one of the things I got from Mrs. Bench. It is so cute. It's a cutie pie, guys. It's a cutie pie. Next, we are going to do another one. Let's do it. Okay, let's pick. Oh, wait, I was about to pick a mini brand again. What is this? Ooh. It is a monkey noodle. It's a monkey noodle. Something fell in the bag. Something in the bag. Let me just get it. Sorry, guys. Something fell in the bag. Here it is. Okay. We're back. So we have this monkey noodle right here. I have a couple more of these, but this is the green one. So, like, stretchy. And without further ado, I'm guessing what it is too. Let me just squish that real quick. Okay. Now let's pick. Oh, another monkey noodle. It's pink. That's so cool. It's pink. So this other monkey noodle is so pretty. Like, look at this. It matches a little bit of my nails, doesn't it? But my nails are pretty much purple, but they match a little bit. This is a really stretchy one, and look, now green has a friend. Pink is with green now. Also, in a couple days, I'm doing a Rainbow Friends video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now we are going to, oh, by the way, I got a bracelet too. We are going to pick our next one. Let's pick it. Yes, my other fashion fidget. I know I have another one of this. I got a duplicate, but I don't know if I'll pick it or not. So, yes. These, so I can pull her hair, pop her dress, and look, keychain. And her cheeks click. Perfect. Okay, put that there. So now, without further ado, let's get the other one. Oh, great. We keep picking monkey noodles. I have a monkey noodle. It's blue. Blue from Rainbow Friends. Now, pink and green have a friend. Like Rainbow Friends. Pink and green. Pink's never on Rainbow Friends. There's not even a pink. Except for on, I don't even think there's any a pink, but let's make a pink. Yeah, let's make a pink Rainbow Friend. But there's a blue and green, so blue and green are friends. Okay, and pink too. Okay, let's get, yes, here's the other one. Here's the other one. I'll prove it to you. Don't they look the same? Okay, yes, you can, I already showed you, but I just want to click her cheeks and pull her hair one more time. Okay, without further ado, let's get another one. What is another monkey noodle? It's an orange. It's orange. It's orange. Let's put orange with blue, green, and pink. Those are the main Rainbow Friends. Okay, I don't have a lot more to pick, but yellow. I think this is our last monkey noodle. There could be one more, but I'm pretty sure this is the last one. And yellow. Yellow is the one that flies and then puts it into a nest and then kills you. On Rainbow Friends 2. But I always play 1, but I'm going to do 2 in a couple days. I played 1 time. It's pretty good, but 2 I heard is the best. So I'm going to play 2 in a couple days. So now we are going to get another thing. Let's peg and then a fashion pet fidget. So you can like pop it and then pop its dress. Yes. Sadly, they don't have clicky cheeks. I have one more of these, but I don't know what it is. Oh, my DNA ball. Yes, the DNA ball is my favorite. I got it from Walmart for like a couple dollars. Okay. So now we are going to get another one. Let's get it. Where is it? Another one of these. Poppet Pet. Poppet Pet. It's the same thing. It's the exact same thing. I just want to see its dress one more time and spin it. By the way, they have spinny dresses. Okay, is that all? No, there's a couple more surprises. I got mini brands too. I forgot. I got mini brands. But by the way, let me show you the mini brands. So I got this Pizza Hut dinner box. Yes, that is really amazing. Put that there. Okay. By the way, these used to be a different color, but I just painted them. Well, my nail stylist painted them because, like, I wanted this color. And look what they did on my hands. Could be on the back, too. Next, I got this Powerade. I'm only going to show you this mini brand, and if I have any more fidgets in there, because I'm going to do part 2 with the rest of my mini brands. Okay, so I got this Powerade too. Then this Juicy Jack. Let's get that opened. Let's get that baby opened. Oh yeah, look at that. And we have this Smoothie Juices bowls. And I'm a burrito. I'm a burrito. Yes. 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 Burrito. Yum, 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 yum. Whoop. Wee. Okay. Okay, we are now. Let's see if the rest of those. Oh, one more fidget. Do you want me to get it? Just with hands? Okay, I'll just get it with hands. Let's get it. It is, please, another one of these. It's chocolates. Oh yeah, and we're done opening my mini brands. So stay tuned for part 2 with all my mini brands. Okay, Garrett fam. Bye. Mwah!